We are reading ordered pairs on the coordinate plane now. Now we've graphed them, but now we're going to read them. So let's highlight that I can identify ordered pairs graphed on a coordinate plane. So in an ordered pair, the x is the first number in an ordered pair, and that y is the second number, okay, in an ordered pair. If the graphed point on a coordinate plane is to the right of the origin, the x is negative. No, is positive, excuse me. So if the x is to the left of the origin, the x is negative. Above the origin, the y is positive. Below the origin, the y is negative. Okay? So that's what we've got so far. Just 1 second. Okay. Let's look at, there it goes. Oh, it's lagging. Okay. So let's practice reading our points. So if I'm looking for point A, we're going to start at the origin. So I'm going to come up here and say start at origin for my steps. And then, depending on if we're going to the right, it's going to be positive. So my x is first. I'm going to the right. So if I move right, positive, count left or right to your point. So from the origin, I'm going to count until I get to the line where I would align with my point, where it's up. So I went 1. So I'm going to open my parentheses, +1, comma. Okay? And then I'm going to count up or down until you reach your point. Okay? So I'm going to count 1, 2, and I've hit my point. Okay? So let's look at, letter B. So again, starting at the origin, I'm going to go left or right. So from here, I'm going to go left. So automatically my x is negative. Okay, so I'm going to count left 1, 2, because that's where I'm lining up with my point. Okay, so -2. Then I'm going to count down until I hit my point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's negative because we went down. So let's look at our U-Dos. C, D, E, and F. So open my parentheses for C, start at my origin, and I'm going left. So x is automatically negative. And I'm going to count to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7. And then we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, moving up is positive. Letter D, starting from my origin. I'm going to go to the right, so it's going to be positive. 1, 2, positive, and then counting down so it's negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, negative 5. Letter E, back to your origin. I'm going to go left, so that means it's going to be negative. And I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, negative 9. And then I'm going to go down again, so it's also going to be negative 1, 2, negative 2. So then I'm going to go from the origin to letter F. Now I'm going to go right, which is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I don't leave the x-axis, so that's going to be 0. Let's pause because there's somebody at the door. On the second page, we're identifying each ordered pair on the coordinate plane. And so for letter A, I'm going to start at the origin, and I'm going to go left, which is negative 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 4. And then I'm going to count up, but watch, so it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, I go about halfway, so we're going to say 5.5. Okay? Letter B, starting from my origin, I'm going to go to the right, which is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half, 7.5. And then down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.5. Letter C, from the origin, negative 1, 2. And then going down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.5. So negative 6.5. Letter D, from the origin, going to the right, so it's positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Positive 9, then going up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a half. Letter E, from the origin, going left, which is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half, negative 7.5, and then going down 1.5, so negative. Letter F, from the origin, positive 1, 2, 3.5. And we stay on the x-axis, so we don't go up or down, so that would be 0. Okay? Now, my gas station, I'm going to start from my origin, and this is all positive. So we're going to go letter A, comma 6. So we're going to say A6. That's how we're going to identify that, kind of like Battleship. The school, C, 1.5. 1.5. That's what I should have done. The car wash, I-10. The grocery store, F, and then 6.5. The hospital is letter F, and we don't go up at all, we just stay, so it's 0. F, comma 0. And the park, going to I up 2. And there you have it, my friends.